What is the weather today?
Let me check my phone.
Is it going to rain?
No, it will be sunny.
How hot will it get?
About 25 degrees today.
That is perfect warm weather.
We should go outside now.
Do I need a jacket?
No, just a light shirt.
Is it windy out there?
Just a very soft breeze.
What about the evening time?
It will get cooler later.
I will bring a sweater.
That is a smart idea.
Are there any dark clouds?
The sky is completely clear.
I love sunny blue skies.
Me too. It feels great.
Let us go walk now.
I will grab my sunglasses.
I am ready to go.
Have a very good walk.
The fresh air is amazing.
The sky is very dark.
Yes, heavy rain is coming.
I just heard loud thunder.
Did you see the lightning?
Yes, a big, bright flash.
The wind is very strong.
It is bending the trees.
We must go inside now.
Large drops are falling down.
Run to the open cafe.
I am running very fast.
We are safe inside here.
Look at the heavy rain.
The street is a river.
It is a big storm.
I hope it stops soon.
Storms usually pass very quickly.
Let us drink hot tea.
Hot tea is a good idea.
The thunder is quieter now.
The dark clouds are moving.
I see the bright sun.
Look at the beautiful rainbow.
The storm is completely over.
The air smells very fresh.
The park is beautiful today.
Spring is finally here now.
The green grass looks fresh.
Look at the new flowers.
They smell very sweet today.
The birds are singing loudly.
They are building small nests.
The sun feels very warm.
Winter is gone for good.
I see a yellow butterfly.
It is flying so high.
The big trees have leaves.
Nature is waking up now.
Let us sit on bench.
The wooden bench is dry.
It is a peaceful morning.
I really love this park.
We should come here often.
Yes, every single sunny day.
Do you want some water?
Yes, a small drink, please.
Here is the cold bottle.
Thank you for the water.
Let us walk some more.
I am ready to walk.
It is very cold today.
The temperature dropped below 0.
Look at the white frost.
The grass is completely frozen.
I can see my breath.
Put your thick gloves on.
My hands are still cold.
You need a warm hat.
I have a thick hat.
Is the lake frozen solid?
Yes, thick ice covers it.
Can we skate on it?
No, it is not safe.
The sky is very clear.
Winter days are very bright.
But the sun is cold.
I want to go inside.
My house is very close.
Is the heater on there?
Yes, it is very warm.
Let us walk very fast.
Be careful on the ice.
The road is very slippery.
We are finally home now.
I feel my toes again.
Look at the evening sky.
The sunset is amazing today.
I see red and orange.
The clouds look like fire.
The sun is going down.
It hides behind the mountains.
The air is getting cool.
The wind is very quiet.
Look at the bright star.
That is the first star.
The moon is rising now.
It is a full moon.
The night is very clear.
We can see many stars.
Nature is so beautiful tonight.
I will take a picture.
Use your good phone camera.
The photo looks very great.
Send the picture to me.
I sent it just now.
It is a perfect memory.
It is completely dark now.
We should go back home.
Yes, it is sleep time.
Have a very good night.